Okay, y'all, I'm back with the ending results. We're going to try and finish this page, and then hopefully we can get to the rest of the stuff. So all I'm going to do is, I want to turn this into a pocket if I can, but I don't know if I can. And as you see that, don't do that. Use a pencil. Don't use the pen. Don't use the pen. Use a pencil. That way you can erase it, because now it shows. And my mess up right here sticks out the worst. So yeah, unfortunately. So I'm going to try and get it right here, glue it, and then right across here glue. That's what I'm going to try and do. So I'm only going to put the glue on here, so I know right where I need to go. And then straight down here, and then down, sorry, and then around. Just like that. Now you gotta figure out which way you want it. I'm just gonna do it this way. I don't care. The little glue is gonna get somewhere, so just might as well give in to that. I'm sure somebody watching is gonna do this a lot better than I did. This just came up out of my head, so please give me credit. At least that you got the idea from me. Because I'd like to get out there too. I'd like everybody to know about my channel too, you know. Oh, I got fuzzies all over me. Now we're going to make the, what do we call it? Since I have this piece, I might go ahead. Think about putting them inside instead. I wanted to originally make either the container that holds these and just little round things, and it didn't look right. And then I was like, maybe I should make the little light, you know, the little candle, but then that didn't look right either. So I just laid them across, you know. So what I might do, because they don't use forks and spoons, that's the reason why I did not put fork and spoon on there. So I'm just going to put them in here and make them into things that they can write on. So that's what I'm going to do, but I still need to make the spaghetti and the meatball. And the way I did that, my paper that I daubed on like a goober. Okay, hopefully I'm going to test this paper first. I forget if this paper gives me issues or not. Yeah, it's good. So I'm going to use around here because it's already got the speckles. And it makes it look more like a meatball, but I will show you how I make it look even more like a meatball. Whatever you don't use, you can always put away for something else. I think no, there we go. I don't think I'll need that many. So we'll put that over there. I can even use that for a meatball. I mean, for a, yeah. We'll just do them like that. These will be meatballs. It'll be around on the plate. But I want to show you what I did. I took, is this the, no, not that one. This one right here. The walnut stain. Oh, these are my little bobbers, by the way. The walnut stain. And you just put it on your dauber. You got to have one of these kind of daubers to get this done, though. So, if you want to do it this way, I'm saying. If not, you can leave them just like they are. They look like a little meatball without it. I just like to really oomph the little craters in the meatballs. See? See? Makes them more like a meatball, the way a meatball looks. Okay. So this is what it looked like before. This is what it looks like now. So my OCD, got to put my stuff back in order. Otherwise it gets in my way. I'm having heat flash. Oh, that you don't want to do. I just lost about 5 of them on the floor probably. That's the one that is leaving for y'all to see the difference. Oh, no, just one. Okay, so now we need to create our breadsticks. Sorry, I've got the hiccups now. I'm going to get another. I'm going to get another one of these. Cut it, because they don't need to be real long. Yes, I'm wearing my glasses again. Should have took them off. Oh, I need that. I always do that to myself. Know when I need it, I put it away. But I've still got to cut this. So I'm just going to, I don't care if I go too far. Okay. Now, you don't have to do much to these because, you know, breadsticks are pretty wide as it is. You just need to round them off. And the way I round mine off is, where's it at? Just take this. That way you get a perfect cut, or close to a perfect cut. This around the end. Oh, that's not going to be round enough. I need it to be round. Okay, where's that thing at? How's that? Oh, too small. I guess I will have to use this. No, I got it. Nope, too small. How about this one? There we go. Woohoo. You just got to keep looking until you find something. And this one. And then turn them around. Do the end down here the same way. Put that one around. And there you go. Now all you need to do is cut them. I'll give mine a little bit more of a peek. If you want to, you can do that. That way they're more rounded. Hopefully I'm rolling. And you can always erase what's left behind, or you can turn that side downwards like that. Now these are going to be pretty big, so I'm not going to turn these into tuck spots, because they would be sticking out too much, you know, like being too big. There we go. So simple. Now we need to make them look like like breadsticks. There. Now, okay. I need brown. So I'm going to grab my brown one, which is, no, it's Vintage Photo. I think I used the Vintage Photo for that one too. No, there's the brown one. This is the dark brown one. This is for walnut stain. And I have one specifically for Vintage Photo so it's not so dark. Now all you're going to do is go around the edges. Like that, like they're kind of burnt. I'm going to move this one out of my way for now. Again, this is walnut stain. Sorry if I didn't say that. When I use these, I always put my finger on the back so it doesn't break the neck of them. You kind of want to come over the top, leaving the center alone. Make sure that this gets darker. Put on the ends. See how they're looking? It's looking more like a breadstick now. Like it's charred on the ends. There we go. Before, after. And then when you put this in there, looks like a breadstick, even though it shouldn't be behind the plate, but, you know, what you gonna do? There's nothing we can do about that. Why? Because it's 2 dogs instead of 2 humans. If it had been 2 humans, I would have put the fork and the spoon behind it, if anything, and not the, and even that wouldn't go behind the plate. But you do what you can with what you got. You're gonna try and do the best you can to make it look cool. it up. Carried it with me. Okay, that's done. Okay, now we need to just tuck these in here, and they look like breadsticks. Now we need to make our spaghetti and meatballs. So, my spaghetti. The last time I used, what do you call it, this yarn. My brain just don't want to work. And I sprayed it last time, and it took it forever to dry. So, and also transfers it over to this side. This color is nowhere near the color I need it to be. I could take ink and just run it down it, but it'll still transfer it to this side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait about the spaghetti and the meatballs, because I have yarn in the other bedroom in there that is red already. And I can get some white out of there too, mix match it and glue it down, and I don't have to worry about any ink or anything, and then just glue my meatballs down on top of that, if that makes sense. But yeah, and this page will be done. And there's our pocket. Here's our tags that you can actually write on both sides. There's a pocket here, and it looks like the one that they're sitting at, the table they're sitting at. So there's that, and these will go on top of the plate on the meatballs, like so. You know, just dispersed around, whatever. And the spaghetti will probably either be on top of the meatballs or they'll be under them. Now you can go a step beyond with the meatballs if you want to do that, and that is take the walnut stain and go around the edges and make it look like they're rounded, like that. But see how hard it is? So I don't worry about doing that. But yeah, those will go on to it next. I'm going to end up losing them over there if I put them there. So I'm going to put them up here. So okay, for now we're done with that page. Not done, but we still have to do the plate setup and everything there. We still need to figure out what we're going to do over here and decorate this page as well. I don't know what I'm going to do because I don't have any more ephemera for Lady and the Tramp. So, yeah. I do have this that goes in here. Now we're going back here to where hang on, to where they are, to these guys. And we already have this little piece of ephemera I have. I'm going to put it up here because I want it to be seen. Oh, it might be too tall then. There we go. We'll just stick that in there like that. Yeah, that's what we'll do. I still need to do some kind of decoration. I don't know what yet. We will work on that on another time, because I haven't come up with an idea for it yet. So, there's that. Now I need to make sure that this is going to stay strong down in here and hide the ugliness. So what I'm probably going to do is put a piece of lace. Let's see, what kind of lace do I have? Where's that one lace? I don't know what happened to it. I must have went through it. Okay, put this one back up there. I was thinking about like going over here on this side and flip it and do it on this side too, but I might just do it on this side. And it'll help me hide that, and then I can decorate this up with something. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, but I gotta figure out what I want to do on that side. I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. That's what I'll do. That way it'll hang out a little. Where's that pen? What did I do with it? Oh, that'll work. Okay, so that's going to go there. Just like that. Then I need something to go on top. What would be cute on top? I've got everything right here that I have left. And then I've got to grab my ephemera, my special ephemera. It's in a crate. It's got all the old stuff in it and everything. Just trying to find something I can put on the outside there that's cute. This is all a totally different area. Okay. So there's nothing else in there. I don't know. I don't know. That'll have to do for now, y'all. Until I can figure out what I'm going to do there. And I still have to put something on this side. What? I don't know. It has to be related to Lady and the Tramp. I got ink on my nail. Anyways, it has to be related to Lady and the Tramp. So I don't know yet. Might go through the book pages that I have left and see what I can fussy cut out and maybe put on here. I don't know. So I hope y'all liked the tutorial, even though I still didn't finish it. And I can't finish it because the spaghetti is in another room, which is basically yarn. But I need the yarn to put down first, and then the meatballs go on top of that. So maybe we'll do that in the next video and finish this page on out and be done with it. So hope y'all enjoyed this video, even though it was real short. I'm sorry.